What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I continue with using the laws of exponents to simplify rational exponents. The first example I have is x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 9 to the power of 1/3 and 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 8 to the power of 1/4. The answer will be, first of all I need to separate them, x to the power of 3 to the power of 1/3, y to the power of 9 to the power of 1/3. First one is going to be 3 times 1/3 is going to be just x. The other one is going to be y to the power of 9/3 is going to be 3. And then this one is going to be 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 1/4 times 3 to the power of 8 to the power of 1/4. That makes it 2 times 3 to the power of 2. It's going to be 2 times 9, which is going to be 18. Next example, it's going to be x to the power of 3/4 times x to the power of 1/4 divided by x to the power of negative 6/4. That makes it, first of all, we need to add these two. It's going to be 3/4 minus 1/4. I said add, but this one is negative, so it's going to be subtract in reality. So it's going to be x to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2. Then you have x to the power of 2/4 minus, because it's division, negative 6/4. That makes it positive, so 2/4 plus 6/4, which is going to be 8/4 or 2. So it's going to be x squared. Again, 2/4 plus 6/4 is going to be 8/4 or 2. Next example. We have x to the power of 4/3 times x divided by x to the power of negative 2/3. The answer is x to the power of 4/3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of negative 2/3. X to the power of 4/3 is going to be x to the power of 4/3 plus 3/3. That makes it 7/3. And here we have negative 2/3, which makes it x to the power of 7/3 minus negative 2/3, which makes it x to the power of 7 plus 2, which is 9/3, or x to the power of 3. So this is the final answer, and this is examples regarding simplifying rational exponents. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.